This man is absolutely a genius. Woke up in the middle of the night wanting to cook some noodles. Discovered the gas stove wouldn't ignite. After inspecting, he found the electronic igniter was out of power. But using a lighter directly seemed too dangerous. Then a brilliant idea came to his mind. He decided to fix it using the lighter. First, he removed the switch and the stove burner. This allowed him to take out the igniter and unscrew the igniter's screws. Next, he found a working lighter and disassembled its igniter. Then he placed the stove switch back and made a mark near its position because he planned to install the lighter's igniter there. First, he needed to drill a circular hole where he marked. This allowed him to pass the lighter's wire through, but the original wire was far too short, so he needed to find an additional wire to connect it. After connecting, he covered it with heat shrink tubing and soldered the connections securely. Then he cut off the top part of the lighter so he could use hot glue to attach the lighter's top part to the marked position. Afterward, he drilled a hole on the side of the stove switch and screwed in a bolt into the hole. This bolt was used to press the lighter's igniter. Once that was done, he reinstalled the switch by aligning and fastening the screw holes, then reattached the lighter's igniter. The result was excellent. On the other end, he found a spark plug. First, he trimmed the nut area of the spark plug, cut it off, removed it, and cleaned it thoroughly. Then he connected the igniter's wire to the spark plug's terminal screw and soldered it securely with tin solder. At this point, he tested to see if it could ignite. After confirming, he used a wire to secure it. Finally, he reinstalled the stove burner and other parts, and with that, the stove was repaired. So, what do you think of his creativity?